Mobile access. Welcome to the last video in our tutorial series. To wrap up everything we discussed, we want to make sure you know how handy it is to use Nozbe on various devices, not just your office computer. As we said earlier, the cool thing about Nozbe is that the mobile app works really similarly to the desktop version. They have exactly the same features too. That's because one of our company values is to be mobile. We want to make sure you can be productive anywhere at any time. To make using Nozbe on mobile devices even easier, you can customize certain gestures. Go into Settings and select General in Nozbe on your phone or tablet. Here, you can decide what happens if you swipe left or right on a task. You can change task parameters or move from a task to its project view with just one swipe. Need to jump from your priority list to the project view? Swipe, and here you are. Android widgets. If you're an Android user, you can set up a widget on your home screen and put your priority list on your most important project there. This way, you've got them at your fingertips. iOS Share Sheet. You can also use the Share Sheet extension on your iOS devices. It works with just about any app, and you can share as much stuff as you want. For instance, you can add multiple screenshots from photos to Nozbe at once. You can also use the hashtag notation to add some attributes to the task with shared items. Notifications. Nozbe is designed to be your perfect assistant. In order to help you remember stuff and always be up to date, it can notify you about important things. You can set up email notifications or push notifications on your mobile device or Mac. For task deadlines, project invitations, delegated tasks, and whenever your name is mentioned in a comment. You can enable or disable each of these options in your account settings. When you receive a notification about a delegation or mention, you can reply to this comment directly from the notifications. You may also mark the task in which you were mentioned as a priority without opening the Nozbe app. Apple Watch. Nozbe is also available on Apple Watch. The potential of this small device is impressive. You can see your priority list, check comments and tasks, and reply to comments using voice recognition, straight from your wrist. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about productivity, you can get practical tips and tricks and join the fantastic Nozbe community by visiting our blog at nozbe.com/blog and subscribing to our social media channels on Facebook and Twitter. You'll find the links in the description of this video. You can also check out our business tutorial where we show you how to create and manage a new team in Nozbe. As you've learned in these tutorials, collaboration is powerful. That brings us to the last productivity tip in this video series. Don't waste your time trying to do everything by yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at questions@nozbe.com. It doesn't even have to be in English. Feel free to use your own language, if it's listed on the very bottom of our nozbe.com site. Thanks for watching. We hope you get everything done with Nozbe.